Greetings of the day. My dear kids, I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying your vacations. My dear kids, today I am going to tell you a story. So let's come with me. Listen this story very carefully. After the story, I will ask some questions to you. So, listen this very carefully. Let's go.
Value of time. Mala is playing outside with her friends. Soon all her friends say bye and leave. Mala is still in the park playing alone. Mala to herself, let them go away. I love to play. I shall play till I want to. Today is Sunday. Mala's mother comes looking for her. She is very angry. Mother, Mala, you have been playing for such a long time. Yesterday also you played the whole day. Mala makes a face and speaks softly to herself. Study. That's what grown-up mum want me to. Mala and her mother leave the state. Mala is leaving for school. Mala to herself, I don't want to go to school. I have not done my homework. I have not even memorized the poem for the recitation competition. I think I shall not go to school. I shall enjoy myself in the park. Mala smiled and walked up to bench in the park. She threw her bag on the bench and settled on it. Suddenly she sees Aunt near her feet. Mala, dear aunts, will you play with me? You see, all my friends are in school. They play only in the evening, and that too for a few hours. I love to play. In fact, I can play the whole day. The aunt paid no attention to her. They continued to walk. One aunt looked up and replies, Not now. We are busy. Don't disturb us. We are collecting food for winters. Mala, but isn't it? That's ridiculous. Winter is far away. Come friend, let's play. Aunt, if we play now, we will not be able to collect enough food. We will play with you, but only after we finish our work. The aunt continued with their work. Mala, how foolish these aunts are. But what shall I do now? With whom I will play? Mala sits on the grass and looks around. She spots some squirrel running to and fro. She runs to the squirrels. Mala, squirrels, will you play with me? They are busy on their work. One squirrel looks up and replies, Squirrel, sorry, not the time. We are collecting food for winters. What about you? Don't you have any work to do? Mala, I do have enough work. I have to read 3 chapters for English, 2 for environmental studies, do 10 sums and memorize 2 poems. But you see, I have a lot of time, so I can play with you now. The squirrel looks at each other, smile and run away. Mala, these squirrels are no fun at all. I must look for someone else to play with. Mala spots some bees on a sunflower. She walks up to them. Mala, dear bees, let's play a game of hide and seek. One bee looks up and replies, Zzz. No, We don't have any time for your game now. Zzz. We are collecting honey. Mala. But you can do the later. Today is sunny day. P. It is on a sunny day that all flowers bloom. If we play today, how will we fill our hives with honey for winter? We will play only after we have completed our work. Mala. No one knows how to enjoy. Why should they work on such a beautiful day? They can easily play today and work some other day. Anyhow, I shall play alone. Mala plays still. She returns home and tells all the story to her mother. What happened in the park? Mother will get angry. How many times I will told you? Attend school regularly. There are few days left for your tests and assignments. When will you study? Mala. There are still 10 days left. 10 days is a lot of time to study. Don't worry, mommy. I will start studying soon. But the 10 days pass very quickly. The day of the first test is tomorrow. Mala. Oh, mommy, what shall I do? I have not studied at all. How will I attempt the questions? Oh, how I wish I had listened to you. The ants, bees and squirrels. I am in deep trouble now. And she starts crying. Mala is sleeping on the bench. Mala, mumbling. I am in deep trouble. She gets up. Her face is wet with tears. She rubs her eyes and looks around. Mala smiling. Oh, it was a dream. I am so thankful. This dream has taught me a lesson. Now I know how important it is to do all your work on time. From now on, I will make a timetable for all my activities. That way, I will be able to give enough time to all activities and games. Today, I promise that I will spend my time properly and not waste it. I have learned the value of time.
So, kids, have you enjoyed the story? Okay. So now, tell me, which type of girl Mala is? Yes, Mala is a lazy. She don't want to do his work on time. Are you same like the Mala? No, you are the good students of mine. So my dear kids, value of time is very important in all of us life. Time is the only thing which cannot be brought once it is gone. One time we earn money back, but if the time will gone, it will never come back. That's why Allah said the value of time is more than the money, because once money is gone, it will be earned back. But if the time will be gone, it will never come back. So, do not spend your time unusually. Use your time in a proper way. Maintain a timetable for your study, for your play, for everything. So, it make easy to do all the things in a routine. Time is precious. It is required that everyone spend it wisely. Discipline is play an important role in every student's life. Time is something we should not waste it anyway, at any cost. So, make your plans, make your timetable. Do not waste your time. use it properly, and hope you all did it. Now, the word of the day. Word of the day is value. Value means significance, magnitude, importance. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है मूल्य. Now, the question of the day. Question of the day is, you have to tell me who has written the National Anthem of India. We will meet soon in next coming videos. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.